Apart from folders and tags, GLOBODOX also lets you categorize documents by using document types. By using document types, you can store detailed information about each type of document. Doing this also increases the number of ways you can search for a document. Detailed information can be stored by creating multiple data fields in a document type. GLOBODOX supports 14 types of data feeds, each for a different type of data. Here is the list of the 14 types of data fields. Each type of field has further properties which help prevent users from entering invalid data. These are minimum length, maximum length, default value, input value, whether they are required or can be left blank, allow duplicates, whether we want to allow duplicate values in the value, security. This property lets you hide certain fields from certain users. Today, let's see how Great Goa Tours, which is a travel agency, manages its documents using document types in GLOBODOX. They use document types like agreements, employee docs, and invoices. Each of these document types has data fields. For example, invoices have data fields like invoice number, company, date, due date, total, paid, and paid on. Similarly, agreements have data fields like signing date, category, and signed by. They wish to create a new document type for payments received. Let's see how do they create this document type. To create a document type, there are two important things to remember. Number 1. No other users should be connected to the connection manager while creating or modifying any document type. Number 2. The user must have managed DB schema permission to create a document type, which is in the Roles section under the Other Privileges tab. Let's go to the document type in the DB Settings section. Click on the New button. In the Information tab, type the document type name, Payments. Then go to the Fields tab. Let's add data fields. First, will be payer, with field type, text. Next will be invoice number, which we can pick up from the invoice via OCR. So select the lookup field. And select existing document type, invoice, to pick up the invoice number from. Third, then we will have the payment date and select date in the field type. Fourth, will be the mode of payment, which will be a pick list field type. In the list source, we will add the payment modes: cash, check, and credit card. Fifth, we will have a reference ID, which will be a text field type. Then you click on the Save and Close dialog. That is how you can create a new document type in GLOBODOX. Now let's see how we can add a document to a document type in GLOBODOX. Click on the Document Types section in the navigation panel. Select the Payments. Click on the Add from Disk button above the navigation panel to add a payment receipt. Then add the receipt details in the Information tab open next to the View panel. Add the payer details. Name of the payer, Mark Robinson. Invoice number, which is picked up from the document type invoice. Select the payment date. Select mode of payment and reference ID. Then click on Save. That is how easily you can create a document type and also add a payment receipt to a document type in GLOBODOX.